made your AI song, created that awesome album cover, maybe even distributed it with DistroKid or TuneCore. But the problem is when you want to make your song go viral. You upload a YouTube video, it gets 12 views, and the only comment is your own pinned comment begging those 12 people to subscribe. You drop an Insta Reel, that's 40 views. Maybe a TikTok video, you get 1,000 views if the algorithm is feeling generous. So you end up spending tens of hours crafting the best AI-generated songs on Suno, finish your album, design the perfect cover, going back and forth with music distribution companies to get it out there on streaming platforms, only to drop a banger that no one even listens to. Like, what the fuck? Every day, artists drop bangers that go absolutely nowhere. That's because you're missing the most important part of the entire music process, which is marketing. Let's get into the blueprint. So as you see, there are 3 stages to releasing a song: production, distribution, and marketing. Production? You got it. Maybe using Suno or something else. Distribution? Handled by services like DistroKid, TuneCore, or any other company. But when it comes to marketing, oh man, you're out here posting random videos that barely break 1,000 views. That's not a marketing strategy. That's
let's go gambling!
There's something wrong because you're investing in professional tools like Suno and DistroKid, but then you're throwing your money and effort away with poor marketing strategy. Now some of you all might think,
okay, for the marketing thing, I'll just buy some Spotify playlist placements.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no.
that doesn't build momentum. It just adds your song to a dead list, full of bots with no engagement. And you'll probably end up with the artificial streaming thing that will block your Spotify streams revenue. What you need is real exposure. And that comes from influencers. TikTok and Instagram influencers with hundreds of thousands and even millions of views are using your song in their short-form content, whether it's TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. When people hear your song in a viral video, they start using it too. Think about it. When a song starts trending, it usually means one video went viral with millions of views. Then suddenly, everyone starts jumping on the trend, using the same audio. Other creators start adding it to their videos, and just like that, the trend begins. There's actual research backing this up. The Music Impact Report by TikTok and Luminate found that 84% of the songs on Billboard's Global 200 chart got their initial boost on TikTok. In other words, trends often start on TikTok and then spread to other platforms. That research basically shows this. When your song goes viral on TikTok or Instagram, people don't just stop there. They start searching for it on YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, you name it. But why? Because those short videos only give a snippet of the song. It's like a teaser. But people want the full experience, so they go looking for the entire song or album and the rest of your songs. And when that happens, the algorithm starts picking up on the increase in searches. Boom! Now it thinks your song is blowing up, so it YouTube, Spotify, and other platforms' algorithm kicks in and starts recommending it everywhere. Suddenly, you've got TikTok views turning into Spotify streams, YouTube traffic, everything feeding into each other. You've basically tricked the algorithm into thinking your song is blowing up, because by that time, your song will be already trending. Now you might be thinking, so all I need is to get famous influencers to use my song, and then the trend wave starts. But how? I'm a nobody. They don't even reply to my DMs. That's exactly where trendmysong.com comes in. This platform already works with hundreds of well-known influencers that have millions of views specifically to make songs go viral on TikTok and Instagram. TMS specializes in music marketing, so you won't have to waste your time chasing creators or sliding into DMs that never get opened. And in case you're still not convinced, here are just a few examples of songs that blew up using this exact method. Memory Reboot, Slay, and right now, as I'm posting this, Chest by Joyful is already trending. And guess how it all started? Influencers using the song in their TikTok videos. You just need a few famous influencers to use your song to give the trend the push it needs to start. And all you have to do is use trendmysong.com to make that happen. I'll show you how. As you can see here, this platform connects your song with verified influencers who can feature it in their viral content. Basically, their whole job is to get your song used by big influencers to make it go viral. Now, let's look at their pricing plans. Starter plan, priced at $250. This gives your song between 100,000 to 500,000 views through 1 to 3 videos made by influencers with over 50,000 followers on TikTok or Instagram. You can only promote one song per plan, which is actually smart because it helps keep the focus on a single hit instead of splitting promotion across multiple songs. Growth Plan, priced at $449. This one takes it up a notch with 500,000 to 1 million views and 3 to 5 influencer videos, all made by creators with over 100K followers. Premium Plan, priced at $690. The most powerful option, giving your song a chance to hit 1 to 10 million views through 5 to 10 influencer videos made by creators with over 300,000 followers. At first glance, the prices might seem a bit high, but they're actually much cheaper compared to working directly with influencers. Reaching out to a big creator on your own is already a challenge, and if they do respond, they usually charge $100 to $200 per video. Why? Because big influencers already have better brand deals and won't settle for anything less than that rate. With Trend My Song, you're not only saving money, but also getting more reach. That's because the platform has established partnerships with influencers who specialize in music promotion. Instead of spending $600 for just 3 posts that might not even perform well, you can choose a plan here and potentially reach over 1 million views with 5 to 10 videos. Imagine getting 1 million views or even more if one of the 10 videos goes super viral, like 20 million views. At that point, you've already paid once and the song just keeps growing on its own. All you need is that initial push to start the viral momentum. Personally, I'm going with the premium plan. I want to go big, get the most out of it, and be done with the promotion in one go. Let's click the Start Now button. It takes you to a short application form. Keep in mind that Trend My Song isn't open to everyone. They review your submission first and then get back to you within 24 hours. Start with your name, email, and the address. Choose your preferred method of communication. I'm picking Telegram because they offer live chat support. Then enter your artist name, song title, genre, and upload the track. Next, select which platforms you want your song promoted on: TikTok, Instagram, or both. You'll need to provide the sound links of the song from these platforms. For example, this is what a TikTok link looks like, and this is how Instagram sound links appear. After that, pick the distribution platform you used, like DistroKid or TuneCore, and optionally enter your Spotify artist profile. You'll then choose the type of content your song fits best, like movie edits, which is super popular and perfect for emotional or dramatic songs. You can also select your target audience age group. I chose 18 to 24. There's a final section where you can describe your promotion strategy or give notes to the reviewer, then hit Submit. After submitting your request, you can either wait for their response via email or message them on Telegram to speed things up. I reached out on Telegram and got approved in about 15 hours. Once you're approved, a marketing agent will contact you to go over the campaign details. They'll walk you through the plan and then send over an invoice. After I made the payment, they got to work. The team was really professional and easy to work with. 9 days after the campaign started, I received the first video link. On day 10, the second and third videos were published. By day 15, the song had already racked up over 800,000 views. Even better, people have started using the song in their own videos, which shows the trend is really starting to take off. That's pretty much it. I hope this gave you a clear idea of how the song promotion strategy works. See you in the next video.